Well, I'm gonna have to call that a wrap for this one. What it do, people? What's up? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm your host, Easy E. And we just cracking away at this Impala. Time to throw some parts back on her, because we got more stuff we need to get done. So let's go take a look. So where we left off last time, with my run in the fender over here. I gotta wet sand that and buff, but ain't no biggie. Bumper put back together, the fender over there. Still gotta paint the hood. The hood is gray. It's right over there somewhere. I started putting the bumper absorber back on, because it's like 2 7mm screws on the side you got to get to. I want to do that on B-roll, so we're going to do that. We're going to start putting that back together. I got my inner fenders lined up over there. I might put them on, might not. But I did have to rebuild the horn. I didn't realize the horn wire was broke right there. So you know what I did? I went to my junkyard emporium over there. I'll keep all the car parts and grab some parts to a Monte Carlo. But the plugs was different. They still go into place, but it was different. And after taking things apart, putting things back together, and I snapped that off. Look at that. I just snapped that off. So this is no good. This is the original one. So I use a horn from the Monte Carlo. Hopefully that works. With the wiring harness I got from Pick and Pull, because I had to get a new wiring harness, little piece of wire. Well, this is where we at. Now y'all can see this fender apron looks a lot better. It's not in the dark time. Got the right curves in it, like it should. Just like this one over here. Comes down, curves in, and curves back out. Comes down, curves in, and curves back out. So we should be good on both sides over here. Ooh, somebody barbecuing out here. I need me some barbecue, man. I go buy me some. I'm gonna scuff down those headlights and clear them. But let me do what I do best. All right. Got that fender all on. I ain't gonna do the liners today. Do that another time. But the fenders are on. The windshield washer reservoir is in place. The horns are in place. Now it's for me to finish the bumper absorber, because that's just a bumper absorber. It's not a header panel or anything else. It's a bumper absorber. There's a big one. So I got to finish putting all the screws on there. Then we got to get the front bumper on. And I still got to get that other hood painted. Just taking my time out here. But hope y'all enjoy watching. And keep on watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you would. Every subscriber matters. Every comment matters. And I watch a lot of YouTube. Not just on rebuilding cars, but on other stuff. So let's get back to work. Alright, got the front bumper on. Easy peasy. Just some clips and two 10mm on both sides. One is a bolt. The other one is a locking bolt. You gotta make sure it ain't stripped. It's like this. So you got a little sleeve. It slides on to the fender. Then we tighten it up. It closes up. Sometimes you gotta use a hammer to hit them back up so you can release the bumper when it gets stuck. Everything looking good so far. Everything always look good until you try to put the hood on. But now it's time to throw some paint on this hood that I gotta prep first and clear coat those lights. So I'll catch y'all back when I'm ready. And I'm about to charge these GoPro batteries. All right, we got a couple of coats of black on there, super black. overdid it. Always overdo it. When I paint the underhood, underneath the hood, you don't gotta put that many coats on there. Then I probably put 2 coats of clear. You don't gotta clear it neither. Well, I just clear the whole thing, but usually just clear the edges, which you can see. That way your paint don't scratch up that easily. And I will show you the paint I was using, but I'll show y'all. Let me see. I got so much stuff up in here. There it is right there, FBC 99 Super Black Base Coat. Because black is black. So I got premium black and I got super black. Because I never remember what black I get. Headlights are nice and scuffed up, so I can throw some clear on there. But we doing the thing out here. Y'all won't get to see. Y'all won't see me paint the top side of it. Cause I'll probably do that tomorrow afternoon. Flip it over, paint the top of it, scuff it down real good. It's already been scuffed down and washed. I scuff it down one more time, wax and grease remove, tack it off, and spray my black on there and my clear. So the headlights be done tomorrow. Everything be dried up tomorrow. And so we're gonna keep on doing this. Well, I'm going to have to call that a wrap for this one. Because we got the underside of the hood painted black. That's why I love black cars. Black on black. Black paint is cheap. $100 for a gallon of paint. And remember, I am painting in the garage. So I do get dirt in my paint. Cleared the headlights. After scuffing them down. Had a paint booth. That had been a mirror finish without the dirt. Plus I got the fan running too. Because it's hot out here. But that's just the underside. When I paint the top half, I ain't going to have the fan on. Probably wet the floor down. So it's less dust going around in here. Like I said, that's going to be a wrap for this one. So if y'all enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Share this video on your social media if you would. And please consider subscribing to Easy E's Rebuilds. Everyone counts, everyone matters. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to I'm about to say it again, subscribing to Easy E's Rebuilds. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified when they release a new video. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. We have merch like this at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations. We take donations of cars locally. There's all links in the description area below. With all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show